Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week's video is going to be all of the footage of me telling my family that I am pregnant. You guys have been asking for this literally since we announced it. Apparently you guys are super excited to see this, so I'm really excited to upload it. I just edited the video and I'm just so happy that I have all this footage and all these things recorded. So I just wanted to kind of talk a little bit about how I told each of my family members, and we actually uploaded a video on our vlog channel this past week that was telling our friends, and then we also did a video of telling Parker's family. So if you guys want to watch those, I will link them down below. But we had kind of a lot of footage, so we just split up all of that footage. I wanted to upload this one onto my channel. Before we get into the video, make sure to thumbs up and subscribe and turn on post notifications if you haven't already. Let's just go ahead and get into it. Super casual vlog style video today. So the first footage I have is of telling my mom, and I was super excited to tell my mom because how I actually told her is I gave her a necklace. A couple years ago, she said that instead of being called Grandma, she wants to be called Gigi. I swear it was a few days after she told me that, I came across this necklace that said Gigi on it. So I literally ordered this for her probably at least 2 years ago. I've seriously just had it sitting in my house for such a long time, knowing that that was how I wanted to tell her I was pregnant, is give her that necklace. But because all of our family knew that we were trying to get pregnant, I was always paranoid that as soon as I pulled out the camera and said anything, everybody would know. So I kind of wanted to trick her. So I gave her a little bit of a different present first, just something she needed for her house. And then I gave her the necklace and pulled out the ultrasound, and it was just a good special moment. Got you this present for who knows what.
What?
I don't know. It's something I told you I was gonna get you. Maybe, or I said you needed it.
Let me see what I think it is.
Sounds like an order.
It's a dream catcher. No. Oh, it's a bird feeder.
No. It's in the camera in your bathroom.
Oh, that's so nice. Thank you.
And then there's another mini one.
Aww. Yeah. Why is it so many presents day?
That's so cute.
Aww. What'd you order? Grandma texted me the other day and she said, Aspyn's face looks different and she's eating crackers. And I was like, just totally out of the blue, and I'm like, and she's like, I think she's pregnant. And I'm like, oh yeah, I should show you the text, and I'm like, oh, her face looks different, and I was like,
well, I thought maybe you knew, so I was eating crackers at least. Great.
I know, I kind of wondered.
Didn't feel good.
I'm so excited.
I got that for you years ago.
Oh, when's it due?
August 30th.
Are you guys so excited? It's a little tiny thing. So excited. Oh my goodness. Can I have this? Or do you need to keep it?
It's our only one.
Okay, you keep it.
I wish we had more. We can copy it.
So
yeah, we should actually.
We should make copies of it. Okay, so the next I told my little brother Tav, we thought it would be fun to play hangman. This is actually what we did with Parker's sister and her husband. So again, that video is down below on our vlog channel. You guys can watch it. I wrote out, you are going to be an uncle, and then I just had him guess it, and so that was really fun.
Do you want me to guess the whole thing or a letter?
No, you have to guess a letter at a time, and if you get it wrong, then I draw
the
man.
E.
I'm writing this with my right hand.
I. O.
Nice. Always gotta go with the vowels first,
you always have to. Keep guessing. Wait, did you get any wrong yet?
No.
Oh, okay. Keep guessing.
What the heck?
You missed a vowel.
Oh, U. R.
Oh wait, I missed one. Whoops.
G.
What?
Why did you do it N?
Why did you do it N?
Oh, okay, N.
Whoops.
You are going to the... Wait,
nope.
You are going to...
Oh, wait, N. You haven't even gone any wrong yet, Bean.
Yeah, what the?
You are going to... What?
Keep guessing. Guess another letter.
Is that a Y? Or
it's a U. What do you think this one is?
what? I don't know.
You're not even in the camera.
Oh.
A what?
Just make a guess any letter.
B.
I know what it is.
Guess it.
Are you really?
Guess it.
I know.
What is the guess?
Guess it. You're going to be an uncle.
Yep.
Wait. Really?
Uh-huh. She's gonna have a baby! You're gonna be Uncle Tavin!
You want to see?
That's him.
It's a girl.
They
Just
don't
kidding,
know
we
what
don't
it
know.
is. Isn't that exciting?
Do you believe me? I thought you wouldn't believe me.
Do you kind of believe her?
Not really.
She is.
I have a picture, Bean.
And then next I told my sister. I didn't really have anything specific for like how I wanted to tell her, again because I was so paranoid that the second I tried to like do anything different or special, she would just know and it would kind of like ruin it. So I just like went into her room, and me and my mom are going on a trip in a couple of months, and so I was just asking her like, oh, did you know that me and mom are going here? Did you know that we're going here? And then I just kind of slipped it in there that I'm also pregnant. Meep. Wait, is she not in here?
What the?
Should we hide in here and then jump out? Did you know that we're also going to Mykonos?
Yeah.
Did you know that I'm pregnant?
Oh my god, are you? Oh my god. I thought you were gonna say that I was going with you. I was like, heck yeah.
Nope.
Wait, let me see. Oh my gosh.
So that one was special. I didn't get too much footage from that just because literally we just both like cried. And then the next footage that I have is telling my grandparents. We went down to Southern Utah a couple weeks ago to tell Parker's family, our friends, and my grandparents and my dad. We were meeting at our favorite sandwich place, and I was like waiting outside the car. We were the first ones there, which actually never happens because I'm always late. My Bird's grandma walked up and was like, oh, you're not in there like getting us a table? Because we had kind of a big group, and so sometimes the tables are full. And this is that footage. No? Decided to tell you that I'm pregnant. Oh my goodness.
I already knew that.
I know, you texted mom. I told mom I think like the day or the next
Her
day.
face looked different, and then I saw the saltines next to the thing, and Sashka's like, well, I don't know. She's like,
different?
I don't think it does.
I don't think it does.
honey, I'm so excited.
She looks
That's the
happy.
best news. Let me see.
It's just we made copies because mom wanted one, but we only had
But that's our blog.
one.
Right
I'm so happy.
So that was from a week ago.
You guys are gonna have the cutest baby ever.
I hope so.
Well,
What a
do
blessing.
we know what it is?
No, not yet.
there.
I just said to Jim, I said, I feel like 2019 is just going to be the best year ever. You know, just already it's so much better and
Yeah.
everything is good. And he was like, oh, but no, it's for real.
Yep.
Honey, that is the
Little
most
baby.
exciting thing.
And then my other grandma walked up, and so I told her, and then my grandpa. Guess what? You're gonna be a great grandma!
I swear I had an epiphany about this.
You think? That's
So
what other
when,
grandma
when,
said
when?
in August.
I'm so happy for me and you. That's so exciting.
I know.
And you know the...
We don't know what it is.
You don't.
No, we can find out in
Are
like
you
2
going
weeks.
to?
Yes. I can't wait.
Hey, how are you?
Pregnant. Isn't it cute? I don't know. And that is all the footage I have. I also, of course, like told my dad, but I don't have footage of that, but it was nice. He cried. I also have footage of telling my step-siblings, but I don't usually like put them in my YouTube videos, so I'm just gonna keep that footage to myself, but they were super excited. And that is all the footage I have, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching. This video is so special for me to just like look back on. I love to watch it, and I'm super excited. I'm actually 13 weeks pregnant today as I am filming this, so I feel like time is going by really, really quick. I think we're actually doing the gender reveal next week. We already know what it is, so you guys can go ahead and guess in the comments down below what you think. Also, no, me wearing a pink sweater does not mean that it's a girl. Everyone thinks that like the color of anything is a hint. It is not. There have been 0 hints as to what the baby is, but if you guys want to leave a comment down below, go ahead and guess, and that video should be up sometime next week. We don't know when for sure. But anyways, that is all for today, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.